Welcome back again. In this video we will solve the exponent problem again. So you are given with an expression where we have x as an unknown on the left hand side and we have to find the value of x. So let's do it. So the question is 9 is raised to the power x plus 9 raised to the power x plus 9 raised to the power x is equal to 27. Then what is the value of x? Now if we can take 9 raised to the power x as common in the left hand side, then we can write the expression as 9 raised to the power x is taken common. So what is left here? 1, then plus sign 1, plus sign 1. So we have taken common, and then what is left is 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 27. Now the second step is 9 raised to the power x, and then in the bracket we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. That is equal to 27. And now if we subtract both the sides by 3, what do we get? We can cancel the 3 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side it is 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 7. So the expression we get is 9 raised to the power x on the left hand side is equal to 9. Now if there is no power given or shown on any number, it is understood that there is a power 1 on that number, and that makes no difference. So we can always write any number is raised to the power 1, or even if we don't write, it is understood there is power of 1. And as you can see, the bases are same now on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So the exponents or the powers will be the same, can be equated. So the bases are same, so power can be equated. So powers are on the left hand side, that is x, on the right hand side 1. So we can simply write x is equal to 1, and that is our answer. So you can fill here in the equation, all these x's are nothing but 1, and 9 raised to the power 1 is 9. So you can verify this by 9 plus 9 plus 9, that is 9, 9, 18, 18 plus 9 is 27, and as you can see on the right hand side it is 27. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, and hence proved. So the value is x is equal to 1. Thank you.